So today was not very bad day actually. I just hit around $2,000 in these three positions. We have Nvidia, Baba and Shopify, and I already opened one position on Nvidia, and the S&P is going up. So S&P stock is coming down first and then it's going up. So and also opened one wrong position actually on Alibaba, so which was I made mistake actually, because S&P is going up after 10 minutes, so it's coming down. So that's why the Alibaba was very bad position, because I made one mistake. So and I lost around 200 or 300 on that. So I also opened one sell position on Shopify. So but here in another side we can see Nvidia is around 600 in the loss, but I put my target for Nvidia around 1000 USD. So here we can see the Shopify in the loss and the Baba also in the loss. So let's see and what happened. So S&P is going up actually, so that's why I put my target to 1000 USD, and my Nvidia position is going up and will hit the 1000, but the Shopify is still in the loss, and also Alibaba. And let's see what happened actually. So we have S&P is going up, Nvidia is around 600 700 in the profit, and it will touch right now my target. So here I close my Nvidia position and hit the TP. So here I closed and I came out from Nvidia because it's hit my target. So we came back to Baba. In Baba we are in the around 200 loss, and Shopify also around 300. The reason I opened one long position in Baba, because the market is start coming down to up, so that's why I thought the Baba is going up, but in reality no, it's coming down, and I just close it. But the Shopify also, we have a very long candle, so that's why I decide to short on Shopify also. But we can see Baba is going to profit, but I didn't touch it. But the market is turned back actually in the 2 minutes, so that's why I lost around 300 on Baba, and then you will see it here. So the Shopify start coming down, and the Baba also coming down, and here I understand the S&P when coming down, all the market also coming down. So I just waited to be sure about my position. We can see we're still in the profit in Baba, and I always also look to the S&P, and because I can see the market S&P is coming down, and also I'm around 100 200 in loss with Baba. So I decided to close my Baba position. So I just waited to see the trigger to come out from that position. Just keep watching. So S&P is coming down, and so when I see I'm in a loss with Baba, so I just decide to come out and also put my profit around 500 in the Shopify. And I see, okay, the market is coming down. I close, I look at the 15 minutes in the S&P. I can see, okay, it's a long shadow actually. So I just checked the S&P, and here I just came out from Baba. I'm also in profit around 1,200 I think, but I just opened one sell position and short position in Nvidia again. So I put my target around 600 because this market is come down, so I just shorted on Nvidia. So what we have here, we have Shopify around 300 in the profit and Nvidia that will hit both TP. Should always be fast and also very quickly analyze the market and then make the decision and then open a correct position. So that's why it's very important that you need to be very careful when you open one position, because you need to see a lot of also news. And here also hit the target for Nvidia for twice, and it was the first one was long position and the second one was short position. And here we can also see the Shopify around 300 in profit, so we just wait until hit the TP. So S&P also coming down. I can also get more in Nvidia, but I didn't risk it, so just wait until the market moving. So the market is keep going down, and the only one left is Shopify around 400 in the profit. Our target is around 600, so it's coming down. Look at the S&P. S&P is coming also down. It's almost hit our Shopify target, so I just came back to the Shopify and I can see it's around 400 in the profit, so I just closed my position and I didn't wait to hit the target. I can see the S&P is coming down. It's around 400, 450, 70, and here is just I close my Shopify position, and the result for today was around 2000 USD for around 10 minutes. It was very risky actually, but in Alibaba I just missed one position, and that was not bad, but the market returned actually, so I just get two positions on Nvidia. The first one was long position on Nvidia, and then the market returned, and then I also short again on Nvidia, and another one also was in the Shopify, which is hit the target. And yes, that was all the position for today, and thank you for watching guys, and have a nice day. And remember also guys, if you want to trade also in Calm Explorer, which I use that platform, so you can use it, so you can click on the link in description and go to the landing page and also sign up, and then you get 30-day free fee in Calm Explorer, which is very good and you can use it. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.